Hayaan niyo akong batiin kayo ng What's up, mga madlang iskola ng bayan! Goodness gracious! Kayo yung mga graduates ng UP. Eh, di kayo ng brainy. Oh my God! What am I doing here? Wala bang maganda sa batch niyo? Kaya lang invited ako. Oh my God, nakatitig kayo lahat sa akin. I'm so nervous. I'm gonna die! I'm gonna die! I'm gonna die! Charot. Napapagpag lang po ako ng nervous. Kinakabahan ko kasi ako talaga. Kanina pa ako nasa-stress kasi alam ko i-judge niyo ako. Dahil kilala ko mga pagkatao niyo mga taga-UP. Ang dami ko kong katrabaho sa ABS-CBN na taga-UP at lahat sila judger. So, alam ko po yan. Okay. Anyway, it is a great privilege to be back here in the University of the Philippines. I know how fulfilling it is to graduate in UP. Di niyo po na itatanong, I took up BA Political Science under the Department of Political Science at the College of Social Sciences and Philosophy. I also took up a 138-unit program that is highly focused on economic theory and mathematical statistical applications at the UP School of Economics. I also took up Bachelor of Public Administration at the National College of Public Administration and Governance here in UP Diliman. Yes, opo. Lahat po yan ay nangyari nung nanaginip ako 2 weeks ago. Hindi lang ako nakagraduate kasi ang ingay ng hilik ni Ayon, nagising ako. #delulu.